Another tasty dish done. But if you're hungry for more, we've got plenty of air fryer recipes waiting for you. Check them out and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.